Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so sorry I did not post my recipe video on Sunday. I was just so busy that I just had no time, but it's okay because today I have a video for you, and this is a milk bread rolls recipe or buns. I did not have a thermometer at the time when I made them, so they came out a bit dense than I think they should be, and I think there's actually a video on the recipe page that shows you how to make them, and so I could see that they weren't as fluffy as they should be, but they were absolutely delicious. Like, they were really tasty. I really loved the sugar wash over the buns after we were done with, and also because my dough wasn't at the right temperatures, it did not rise as much as it should have, so I had to, I think, cut down on the sections of like rolling dough. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't have to describe these things. I still don't have the vocabulary. I'm not used to the chef baker think vocabulary, but guys, this recipe is awesome. It's super easy. It's also pretty, straightforward dough recipe, and the more and more you cook with dough and yeast, the better it gets, and I'm getting better. So I hope you do enjoy this video. If you did, please definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.